The Renewal Institute is an integrative and functional approach to anti-aging and wellness. And it incorporates 5 different pillars, which is skin renewal, body renewal, health renewal, sleep renewal, and brain renewal. This clinic here, we do the skin renewal, which is all the injectables, the Botox, the fillers, the mesotherapy, and then the threads, 2 different threads. And then we have the skin renewal, which incorporates all our lasers and our skin tightening machines. So we've got transdermal mesotherapy, which means no needle mesotherapy. We've got radiofrequency devices. We've got numerous lasers for veins, for hair removal, for sunspots. And then we've got body shaping treatments like the VeloShape, the monopolar radiofrequency, endomology, lipomassage. So we have, in fact, like 50 different treatments that we could do. You know, the more we go along, the more we realize that there are a lot of more renewals that we can do. So we have now incorporated the brain renewal, which is repatterning your brain and getting it going correctly. And then we've also now introduced the sleep renewal, and we've made sure that the sleep clinic at Morningside is like state of the art. It's like being in a hotel. People don't understand how important sleep is. And not only the sleeping 8 hours, it's not the quantity of sleep, it's the quality of sleep. And people don't realize that they're not actually going through all 4 or 5 stages of sleep. So at the Renewal Institute, every patient or client is first seen by a doctor. So that sets it apart. So nobody does any treatment at the Renewal Institute without having seen the doctor first. And then the doctor consults with the patient, looks over, decides what's going to be best for the patient, and also depends on budget and expectations. So what also sets us aside is that we've developed in-house training, and all the doctors who join us and therapists and registered nurses go through 3-month in-house training to make sure that they're totally competent. So 1 or 2 new very innovative technologies that we have introduced this last year, which has been a game changer for some patients, you know, with dark circles under their eyes and pigmentation on their skin. We've introduced a non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid filler that you can put very superficially into the dermis. And then the other new technology we have is the vampire facial. I know it's a terrible name. We draw 20 mils of your blood, and then we spin it down to 10 mils, and then we throw the red blood cells away. And then we take that 10 mils and we spin it down further to get very, very concentrated PRP. We call it liquid gold, and that we can inject into problem areas. And we combine it with our Dermapen skin needling, and it gives amazing results. So top tips for skincare. So what I always tell my patients, something very easy to remember, is an acronym called GRAS. So the G is for growth factors and peptides. R is the retinoids. So the first 2, G and R, stimulate collagen, and that's really important for anti-aging. Then you get the A and the S. A is the antioxidant, and S is the sunblock, and both of those protect your skin. And then the last S would be a specialty product. So if your skin is dry, we've got certain products that rebuild the barrier. If your skin is sensitive, if you've got pigmentation, if you've got acne, if you've got rosacea, then we've got the product for you. So that is the acronym called GRAS. That's an easy way to remember that you're doing everything right.